Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 9 of the Math Tips and Tricks series. In today's lesson, we'll go over two strategies to simplify multiplication. So let's get started. The first strategy that we'll discuss is called the double and half strategy. This strategy can be used when you need to multiply a one-digit number by a number that lies between 10 and 20. Let's say you want to do 3 times 18. Most of us do not know the multiplication table for 18. However, we can solve this problem by modifying it into a form where you can solve it using a table that you already know. So here, you multiply the smaller number by 2 and you divide the larger number by 2. 3 times 2 gives you 6. 18 divided by 2 gives you 9. Basically, you're doubling the smaller number and halving the larger number. So your problem now becomes 6 times 9, which is 54. And this is your final solution. Simple, isn't it? Let's say you want to do 14 times 4. Here again, you multiply the smaller number by 2 and you divide the larger number by 2. 4 times 2 gives you 8. 14 divided by 2 gives you 7. So your problem becomes 8 times 7, which is 56. Let's try one more. Let's say you want to do 5 times 16. Here again, you multiply the smaller number by 2 and divide the larger number by 2. 5 times 2 gives you 10. And 16 divided by 2 gives you 8. So your problem becomes 10 times 8, which is 80. If you like the content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. The second strategy that we'll discuss involves breaking down the larger number that you're multiplying. This strategy can be applied when your problem involves a number close to a multiple of 10. Let's say you want to do 62 times 7. We know that 62 is close to 60, so we break down 62 as 60 plus 2 and we do the multiplication. So the problem becomes 60 times 7 plus 2 times 7. 60 times 7 gives you 420 and 2 times 7 gives you 14. So when you add these two, you get 434, which is your final solution. Let's try one more. Let's say you want to do 89 times 8. Here again, we know that 89 is close to 90. So we break down 89 as 90 minus 1 and we do the multiplication. So the problem becomes 90 times 8 minus 1 times 8. We know that 90 times 8 gives you 720 and 1 times 8 gives you 8. So when you do the subtraction, you get 712, which is your final solution. Let's try one more. Let's say you want to do 302 times 6. So 302 is close to 300. So we break down 302 as 300 plus 2 and we multiply it by 6. So the problem becomes 300 times 6 plus 2 times 6, which gives you 1800 plus 12. And when you add these two, you get 1812, which is your final solution. Please use the PDF linked in the description for additional practice. In lesson 10, we'll go over a strategy to multiply numbers containing a series of nines. I look forward to meeting you in lesson 10. Thanks for watching.